Well, good morning. I'm leaving this video for folks who repair lawnmowers and get an old mower in, and you want to find out if it's worth your time to repair. And so you check the spark plug, you've replaced the carburetor or cleaned the carburetor, repaired the pull cord and whatever. And the question is, do you want to put any more time and effort into it? And one of the things you got to do when you have that rusted cable that runs up to the bar that kills the mower, that you hold down and pull the cord. But sometimes that mower that cable is rusted, and so you take the cable off. Then what do you do? Well, what you do is you pull the spring off, that really powerful spring that holds that kill switch compressed, so that you got to decompress it in order to start the mower. Well, you just want to find out if the mower's any good or not, so you've got to come up with a solution. So this is how to make a kill switch with a rubber band. It's strictly temporary. It's just a way for you to find out if the mower's going to start or not, and then be able to shut it off without having to jerk the spark plug cable off, which is not good. You can shock yourself, and it's difficult, it's hot, and so this is just a way to shut the mower off. So let's walk out here to this running mower, and we're going to look at this rubber band, and you're going to watch me shut this mower off. So that's how you do it. It's just a temporary thing. So that kills the mower, and this allows you to start the mower. Very simple. And then once you've established you've got a decent mower, then you take this off and you fix it the usual way.